Whether you want to launch a side gig to generate regular part-time income, or you're looking for some quick extra cash, there are websites that can help you do it. And today I will give you 10 websites that will pay you with real cash. Number 1. Upwork. If you're a freelancer or you've become one due to losing a job, you might want to look around Upwork.com and look and see if anyone is hiring for gigs that you would be good at. Upwork is basically a global e-lancing platform where businesses and freelancers from all over the world can connect and collaborate on certain projects. Businesses usually can hire freelancers for a variety of different services. This includes writing, web design, translating documents, running campaigns, and so on. You set the price. From $5 up to $100 and even more. It all depends on the task you want to complete. An average person makes approximately $30,000 every year in projects through Upwork, which, it should be noted, takes a commission for each project you get. Anywhere from 5% to 20%, the more you make, the less they take. Number 2. Fiverr. This is also a popular website that can be helpful for freelancers. If you know something about digital animation, you can work for someone who doesn't have these skills and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web research for someone for fast cash. The only caveat: you probably aren't going to get rich quickly by taking on these jobs. The website's tagline is "Freelance Services for the Lean Entrepreneur," and its name comes from the fact that many people work for $5 per task, but yes, you can ask for more. With that said, if you get a lot of gigs, you can get paid a significant sum in the long term. An average person earns between $20,000 and $50,000 on the website during a year. Number 3. Merch by Amazon. We all know Amazon. But did you know that you could make t-shirt designs and sell them on Amazon? John Barty, an Amazon affiliate, says he often makes money on the side, creating designs for t-shirts. He sells on Merch by Amazon as well as other platforms. You probably won't get rich. For instance, Merch by Amazon offers examples of royalty prices, and for a t-shirt that sells for $15.99, the royalty would be $2.21. Still, once the hard work designing the piece is done, it's easy money, according to John. Graphic designers can upload t-shirt designs, and at that point it's pretty much entirely passive, and you're paid a royalty for every one of your designs that sell, but you don't have to handle returns, do any customer service, or ship anything. Just upload your designs and get paid. I know it sounds kind of hard, but reality is you don't need to be a graphic designer to make a design. There are tools like Canva, which is my favorite, where you can start with a template. Every design takes a few minutes to be completed. If you want more information about how to design your own shirts and sell them to the world, just let me know, I will make a video about it. Number 4. Sell stock photos and footage. If you love to take pictures or recording footage, then you can make money off this passion. There are tons of sites that allow you to upload your stock photos and footage. These sites have huge user bases, and when someone licenses your photo, you get paid. Some of the biggest stock photography websites are Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. When creating your stock portfolio, spend some time browsing through the marketplaces above to find the most popular styles. Then, create your own niche and upload as often as possible. The larger your portfolio is, the greater your chances of success. For example, if you live next to a lake, you can just start taking photos of it and its surroundings. Beyond making money with your photos and videos, using websites like these can help to build a fan base for your work as well. Make money with an awesome blog. A lot of people start a blog as a way to express their views or as a creative outlet. However, there are many cases of people not only earning a living from their blogs, but even turning them into massive companies. I have to be honest with you. It takes a lot of time to build and write a good blog, but if you play your cards right, you might have a solid chance of earning money passively. Remember that it's important to have a long-term vision. You won't make money right away, but as your writing improves, your skills grow, and your site picks up more traffic, it's a definite possibility. If your goal is to start a blog that makes you money, here are some tips to keep in mind. Choose a broad topic like health, finance, relationships, hobbies, or personal growth. Always aim for quality and create the best possible source on any given topic. Learn about SEO and how to rank your site in search engines like Google. Build a network with popular bloggers and other influencers. These tips will lead you in the right direction. Once you have a trustworthy blog that gets a large volume of traffic, you'll have many opportunities to monetize your site, such as paid advertising. Google will show ads on your blog, and it will pay you for every person that visits the website. Selling your own courses and products. You can add your own products, and Google will make it work for you. You won't need to pay for advertising. Selling affiliate products. If you don't want to spend time creating and designing your own product, you can actually sell somebody else's product and get a commission for every sale you make. If you want to know more about affiliate programs, in the description you will find video about it. Number 7. Internet research and surveys. Another way to make good money is by surfing the internet in your spare time or filling out online surveys. If you're looking for a way to make an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month part-time, then internet research is for you, advises International Living. Some survey sites include Survey Junkie. I have a complete video with the top 10 best surveys companies that pay you for your opinion. Down below in the description you will find it if you want to start earning cash from your phone right now. Number 8. Zirtual. It is perhaps the most time-consuming but most rewarding option. With Zirtual, you sign up to be a virtual assistant to a busy person. The person will send you things to do, such as write emails, research a topic and summarize the findings, or personal tasks such as order flowers or making reservations for his restaurant, manage a personal calendar, or write handwritten notes. The starting base pay is $11 an hour, and Zirtual assistants work weekdays full-time. Number 9. Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for people who want to learn from educational videos. The courses, which are not accredited, are available through subscription. The majority of courses focus on interaction rather than lecturing, with the primary goal of learning by completing a project. The main course categories include creative arts, design, entrepreneurship, lifestyle and technology. If you have skills that others don't, this is your place. If you know recipes and you have time to make a short course of at least 10 videos, you can be a teacher. Teachers don't pay for uploading their videos. Keep this idea in mind. If you want to know more about this website, just let me know, and I'll make video about it. And finally, the website number 10. Zerekomi. Zerekomi is full-time or additional work for all people from all countries. You can earn money on any device with internet access wherever you are. You will be paid for your time and participation on the platform. You can choose precisely how you want to earn: browsing websites, videos, ads, leaving the commitment in social networks, writing comments, opinions, filling out surveys, account creation or subscription to newsletters. Focus on what you do well and what works best for you. There are 5 ways to earn money at Zerekomi, and each of them is distinguished by a feature that could be better for you. Commitment and your time are key to high profits. Zerekomi is also a modern form of online advertising. Thanks to Zerekomi ads, you can use ads that were previously unavailable on the market. Need some extra cash? Don't want to waste your time working for somebody else? Then consider subscribing to my channel to add extra cushion to your wallet. My name is Michael, and every week I bring you detailed videos about how to grow financially from home.